Good evening, myself Akash Mitra, and today I am going to discuss another code. It's of array. It's a very interesting code where roll number should not repeat more than one. It's an unique, means roll number of each student should be unique. In that way of array I am going to make, and marks should be greater than equals to 0 or less than equals to 100. Based on their roll number we will put their qualified marks, and that should be within 0 to 100 or equals to 0 and equals to 100, as well as within in between those two numbers. So if we give same roll number twice or more than one, then it will give me error and tell me to input the roll number again. And same for this marks also, for that particular roll number, unique roll number. So this code I have already written, and in my next topic I am going to discuss the linear search of this program. But for today, just watch this code how it is exactly running. So before explaining this code which I have already written, let's check out whether it is perfectly running or not. Enter the size of, suppose let's small, means enter the roll number at array index 1. Suppose I want to take roll number 4. So at roll number 4, so enter the marks should be 78. Suppose I have taken, okay. Enter the roll number at index of an array 1. Simple. Suppose I am going to take it as 4. Oops, roll number already exists. Roll number already exists or equals to 0. Sorry. Then any other unique roll number to give. Suppose I am giving 7. Now 90. Okay. Or suppose let's check whether if I give greater than 100. Suppose 101. Sorry, invalid marks. Try again. Means that roll number 7 I have to give it again. So let's give 90. Okay. Now at index 2, suppose 6 I have not given. Then roll number, this boy or girl got 45 marks within 100. Suppose 12, roll at index 3. So at that point roll number should be, suppose 67. Nine, roll number should be 56, means marks should be 56. That's it. Roll number 4 got 7. If I sort it, then it will be, if I write it in sorted way, then it will be more good to see. But for explaining it to you, that it should be unique and this should be within 0 to 100 marks of each roll number. So these are the uniques, and but marks can be of two roll number, of two different roll number can be same. That way I have written this code. Okay, so let's get started. And this is a pre-processing directive. This is our header file. Many time I have discussed pre-processing directive. Okay, means I have defined max is within 100, means 0 to 99, means not more than that. And the roll number I have declared the max value of max, means within 100, means 0 to 99. This is the size. Within that 0 to 99 I can resize. There is a flexibility within 0 to 99 only I can resize it. Marks is also same, where max equals to 100. Okay, this is the size of an array. Should be given as user input within 0 to 99. This means here in temp means temporary variable, where we will first store the value and then check the conditions. For that purpose I have declared this variable. Then this C is for counted, and I have taken another counter in name of I, means iteration, one after another. That's it. Now enter the size of an array. Roll number and marks. Size of both roll number and marks should be same. Okay. Then I have taken user input. Then now our main code starts from here. Okay. For C is equal to 0, C counter is initialized with 0. C should be size less than size of an array, means less than equals to size of an array minus 1. Okay. C equals to nothing but size of array minus 1. Up to this much it will go and shows condition is true, and when it becomes C equals to size of array, it will get out of the loop. That time condition becomes false. Enter the roll number at index. This conversion specifier C means from starting from 0, means they are first. At that time I will scan the temporary, means I give my user input in that temporary file. Okay. Then I have opened another iteration, for iteration. I equals to 0, I should be less than C. Less than C. Suppose I want to give user input. Suppose I want to give user input. Suppose I want to give user input inside array C. Okay, where C is equal to 2, 3. Okay, no problem. Then I equals to 0, starting from 0, I should be greater than 3, which is equals to 3. It will go from 0 to 2 and check. Then at that time it will check whether it is equals to, means I equals to, means from 0 to 2 it will go and check whether temp value I have stored, the value I have stored in temp, whether it is equals to those roll numbers or which I have already given as user input is equals to or not. Because if it equals to, then it will show me oops, roll number already exists or equals to 0, or temp equals to 0, because our roll number never starts with 0. As well as if before that, and if in my previous iter counter, if I have given any at index roll number same which I want to give in the present index, then it will show me this statement, because that roll number already exists, and roll number should always should be unique for each student, we already know. Then it will break out of this loop. Then it will break this for iteration, means this iteration. Okay, up to this much I have explained in this video. This I equals to 0 iteration, it will break out and again go for this for iteration and check the condition. And at that time also C is not getting incremented. Watch here, this I have given, this I have given, but there is nowhere where C is incremented. Okay, in my next video I am going to discuss it in more details too. Up to this much for this video only. Thank you.